Hi, in this video I'll show you how to configure the machines and what options you have for each machine. Once we've added machines to every area, the planning is fully functional. At every machine, you see the weekly plan the visual computes automatically. And it's completely dynamic. Change anything, a break, a shift, and the visual instantly replans everything. It's the same at the machines. On the wheel assembly area, for instance, there are 3 machines. With the red X, I can delete a machine if it's no longer needed. With the gear icon, I can take a machine out for downtime. If I know a machine will be down on Wednesday and Thursday, or for planned maintenance, say Wednesday's second shift, I can set that here and save it. After saving, it flags that the machine won't be available then, and on the weekly plan you can see it pulled the machine out and replanned everything. Remove the downtime, and it plans differently again. With the green icon, you set which products can run on this machine. By default, everything's checked, since we bound the fields, so the visual already knows which products belong to which machine. But you might not want to run a certain product on a machine. Say it's less efficient there. So you can limit it, by type or one by one. If I remove the mountain type, for example, those products immediately disappear from the machine. Here you can also give the machine a different cycle time than the one in the table. I usually leave it, since it pulls from the table by default, but you can change it if you want. These are the machine settings. In production, you'll use them practically every day. Thanks for watching. We'll continue next time.